Hi, I'm Chef Mary and I'm in the kitchen with Big Y. Today we're making a butter-basted ribeye steak and I'm going to show you how to use a restaurant technique in your home kitchen. Let's get cooking! We're going to start this recipe the way we would any recipe, by rinsing any produce I'm using for my meal and washing my hands. So today for our steaks, the first thing we have to start with is the steak. These are ribeyes from Big Y. They're about an inch thick. For this recipe, you could go as thick as 1.5 inches if you'd like. We've also got salt and pepper, fresh rosemary, garlic cloves, butter, and vegetable oil. Our first step is to salt and pepper the steaks. So I'm going to take a generous pinch of kosher salt, it's easier to sprinkle, and sprinkle it over the top of each steak. Following with some ground pepper, and then I'm going to flip them over and salt and pepper the other side. Okay, I'm going to wash my hands and then we're going to go to the stove. Put a heavy pan over high heat and film the bottom with vegetable oil. When the oil is very hot, lay the steaks into the pan. Make sure you put them in away from you so you don't splash yourself with any hot oil. Add the butter, garlic, and rosemary to the pan. And when the butter's melted, flip the steaks over. Using a large spoon, baste the butter over the steaks. Continue basting the steaks, alternating with flipping them, until you reach your desired doneness. You'll know this by using a meat thermometer to take the temperature of your steaks. When your steaks are ready, remove them from the pan and lay them on a board to rest for 10 to 20 minutes. After your steaks have finished resting, slice them as thick or thin as you'd like, put them on a serving board or platter, and season with a little additional salt and pepper. Thanks for cooking along. For this recipe and more, visit bigY.com.